Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will show you how you can install the AI agent over your website. Simply log into your BotPenguin dashboard. Once you're logged in, just choose the agent that you want to install over your website. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will find an install agent option. Click on that option. Then click on website and proceed to next. After that, choose the is custom build option and then proceed to next. Then you will find the script code here. Simply copy the code from here and go to your website, and over your website simply paste the script code. Once you paste the script code, run the code, you can see the AI agent has been deployed successfully. You can follow the same step over your website and the AI agent will be deployed successfully. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day. Bye bye.